Replace digital camera battery chargers. Digital cameras. Make sure you can charge your digital camera batteries. Your digital camera battery charger isn't even part of your camera, but without it you can't get your digital camera to work, or at least not for more than a few hours. It's a bit of a catch-22. You can't keep your battery charger with your camera at all times, it's just not practical, but you also need to have it handy in case your digital camera runs out of juice. For me, this means moving it all over the house to different wall sockets and even taking it with me on trips when I know I'll be using my camera a lot. All this shifting and moving about inevitably results in a misplaced, or, when I'm finally ready to admit it, lost, digital camera battery charger. A lost charger poses a serious problem. It can be hard to find a replacement, but you don't want to scrap a perfectly fine camera over it. Although the hunt for a charger which matches your digital camera batteries can be frustrating, if you know your digital camera's make and model, you should be able to find a replacement battery charger by utilizing one of the below sources. If your digital camera batteries are almost out of juice and you've lost your charger, try these tips to find a replacement. Digital camera manufacturer. If you go to your camera manufacturer's website, you should be able to browse for replacement parts. As long as you know the make and model of your camera, which should be printed on the camera itself, you can assure yourself that you'll be getting the appropriate replacement charger. Visit Canon, Panasonic, or any other major digital camera manufacturer's website to find parts. If you're more comfortable speaking to a person, you can call your digital camera manufacturer's 800 number for assistance. Third-party vendor. If you're looking for a discounted digital camera battery charger, you may want to look at sites like Amazon or AtBat. These third-party vendors often sell replacement parts from a variety of manufacturers at discounted rates. You must still know your camera's make and model to assure that you are purchasing the appropriate replacement. You may be able to find universal chargers as well, but you should double-check to ensure that your camera's battery will fit in the charger you are considering. Individual vendor. Sites like eBay and Craigslist allow individuals to post ads for items that they are trying to sell. eBay is a mixture of businesses and individuals and encourages buyers to bid on products in an auction-like environment. You'll likely have better luck on eBay than on Craigslist since it boasts a larger quantity of more sophisticated sellers. However, check both if you're looking for a deal and you might just luck out. Retail store. Electronics retail stores like Circuit City and Best Buy sell digital camera accessories, including battery chargers. Anywhere that you can buy a digital camera, you can probably buy that camera's charger. Check your camera's make and model, then either head to the store or get online to browse through your options. Quick tips: look for deals from third-party vendors like Amazon or AtBat before going directly to the manufacturer. Consider a universal battery charger, especially if your family has more than one brand of digital camera.